watermelon juice. Hi, hello, welcome to Dosa to Pizza. I am Kanchana Jayakumar, a lovely session of watermelon juice. This summer, we really need to quench our thirst with very healthy juices, and that's why we are going to do this lovely watermelon and lemon mocktailish drink, or you can even do it with a plain sabja seeds or basil seeds. So it's going to be a lovely combination of watermelon. So let's look into how to do these yummy juices. We are going to see two varieties of watermelon juices today, and one is going to be with the basil seeds or the sabja seeds. See, these basil seeds are very healthy, and they're supposed to reduce the heat inside of the body, so that's why normally they try to use it. And the basil leaves are normally used for garnishing, and they give a nice flavor and a smell. So now this basil seeds can be used straight away into the water, but what will happen is it will take some time to get soaked, and they just increase in size. So we are going to use some warm water so that they get done quickly. Now let's cut the watermelons. We'll have to de-seed them. Put it into the mixer jar. Now let's add a pinch of lemon juice. 1 spoon of sugar. Because we have added lemon juice, this sugar is a must. Otherwise it will be little sour. A small pinch of salt. Here our watermelon juice is ready to be. Add the basil seeds. So now you can see some small black tiny spots in the juice. They are the basil seeds which are soaked, and they will be really yummy when you are drinking them. So it will be a lovely, wonderful, refreshing juice and a treat. We are going to do the second session, in which we are going to add some mint leaves. They are going to give a nice refreshing smell and a taste. Just put 2 mint leaves, some lemon juice, a small spoon of sugar, pinch of salt. Here our fruit juice is ready. So here we are going to make it a mocktail. So what we are going to do is add some soda to this, the plain soda. So here the watermelon mocktail is ready to be served. So dear friends, this summer you're going to enjoy with a dash of watermelon juice and soda, and even the other one with the sabja seeds. So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.